Hi, I'm Jane Stafford from the School of Weaving, and I'm here to tell you all about Season 10, Episode 7, which is called Cloud 9 Cushions. It is another episode on Deflected Double Weave, and standing beside me is my good buddy, Lisa Hill, who's come back to give us another layer. And now you get to talk and tell us what you're going to do.
Well, when Jane mentioned that she was doing an episode on texture and wanted Deflected Double Weave, I was so excited because as I had worked through Deflected Double Weave using color, contrast to define the blocks and create the motifs, I had learned how fun it is to use contrasting weights of yarn as well as color to make the motifs stand out, but also to give the textile texture. And that working out those details of finding yarns that work well together in different weights is a real adventure in itself, and getting to use the JST array of yarns to pick yarns that play well together and give you this highly textured, exciting design was a joy.
Right, and Lisa started using two yarns with that were quite different. Our organic cloud cotton, which is a nice big fat chunky yarn, along with 16-2 cotton, which is very, very fine. And she created this amazing colorway over here. And then we discussed it and tweaked it, and the end product uses the cloud cotton for our thick and chubby thread, but it's paired with our baby alpaca, our fine baby alpaca.
And it is a cloud. It's a cloud. The softness and texture of that is truly a dream.
Absolutely amazing. And the graphic play in all of these pieces is truly remarkable. One threading, all these different things. The other thing you're going to learn how to do is a skeleton tie-up. It's an 8-shaft pattern, but we're using a skeleton tie-up on a countermarch loom that is universal for any countermarch loom or any loom.
And you can use it on jack looms as well.
And it allows you access to all your blocks. So there's so much learning in this episode.
You get the bonus.
Yeah, you get the bonus plain weave backsides.
Which gives you so much fun texture as well.
And the big bonus in this episode is the show and tell. So our show and tell is so huge this time that we've had to break it down into 3 sections. And
it's remarkable.
You have to come and join us just for that. I mean, if
truly,
we aren't enough, you should see the show and tell.
It's mind-boggling.
It is.
It is.
So I hope you'll come and join us.